Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sastra Shastri and welcome to the part 4 of Learn AutoCAD with me. In this video, we are going to learn about functional keys of AutoCAD. Functional keys are the special keys on the top row you can see in your keyboard labeled F1 to F12, right? They are used to perform specific commands or shortcut actions in software. In simple words, functional keys are the shortcut keys that quickly activate particular functions. There are specific functional keys for each software. Today we are going to see each and every function of these functional keys in AutoCAD. First one is F1. Let us see what pops up when you click F1. Yeah, one thing I would say is if you in my keyboard, F2 is for lowering the brightness, F3 is for increasing the brightness. F1, F2, F3, F2, F3. But you want to activate AutoCAD commands or AutoCAD options by using these functional keys. You have to click these functional keys along with Fn. Here at the in my keyboard, Fn is at below left. You should just click F1 along with Fn. Click Fn, then F1. Yeah. The online help desk is popped up here. Yeah. From here you can access any of the help from AutoCAD. Like you can search if you have any doubts, if you want to know how each of the command works. See, you can have a demo videos also here. See, about circle. To create a circle that is tangent to other objects, select the objects and then specify the radius of the circle. So it is saying how to use that circle command. Like this, you can access to the online help desk in AutoCAD. And next one is F2. F2 is command prompt history. When you click F2, it shows command prompt history. See, here we have not drawn anything, right? So it is showing. So nothing is shown here because we have not used any command. Let's just use something and draw, and then let's check how it shows. Units. Just set to millimeters. It is already in millimeters, right? So let's just set meters. Okay. Then let's set limits like 0,0 to 100,100. Now, don't worry about the shortcut keys. In further videos, let us see each of the shortcut keys for every command. Yeah. let's specify point like 0 comma 5. Yeah, here. And then it's on ortho. Yeah, escape. Now let's use circle, arc. Then let's use rectangle. We can also try and use this undo, redo. Yeah, let's hatch this. Let's hatch with this. Yeah. Don't worry about these all options. Further videos, let us in detail use this all and learn about this each and every option. I'm just showing to understand. Let's use polyline. So here ortho is on, right? That's why it's not coming. Now let's see command prompt history. That is click Fn plus F2. Yeah, this is the command prompt history. After opening this new file, whatever commands we have used and yeah, whatever commands we have used, it shows like this in a popped up box. See here, first we have set units and then limits. Limits as 0 comma 0, lower left corner and upper right corner is 100 comma 100. Then we used line command. We specified the first. So like this, it shows all our command prompt history. Now F3. Just see what happens if you click the functional key F3. F1 plus F3. Yeah. See, you can see here OSNAP was on before. Now when you click F3, it's automatically got off. Again, just try. Now OSNAP is on. Now OSNAP is off. Yeah. Tell me, F3 is for object snap. That is OSNAP. You can also on this OSNAP on or off through a shortcut key, that is OS enter. First, let us understand what is OSNAP. Option you can see in the application status bar. This option shows OSNAP, whether it is on or off. Now it is off. When you click it, now OSNAP is on. Now let us off and see what happens if OSNAP is off. Yeah, you want to draw a rectangle like this. See, here nothing is shown so that you can exactly coincide and draw a particular rectangle. But when you on OSNAP, see here it highlights the intersection point or specify the end point so that you can easily catch it, right? For example, you want to draw a triangle. This is a just ortho of the ortho. See, this is all green dotted line and green checkbox is appearing here because our OSNAP is on. See, like this. Endpoint will be directly shown if the OSNAP is on, so that you can directly join it at the top, at the vertex. So, yeah, as as you off the OSNAP, yeah. If you want to draw a line exactly from the vertex of the triangle to the base of the line, but your OSNAP is off here, so that you cannot directly coincide here and draw. See, nothing is shown. The green lines are not showing. The green lines are not appearing here. Now, if you on this, see, you can just exactly coincide. It automatically takes to the endpoint. Then you can click, and it also shows exactly straight line or the midpoint, right? Yeah. Now I will show you. OS enter. See, you can customize how your object snap should be. Like it should show the center or not. It should show the geometric center or midpoint or endpoint. See, if you off this midpoint and then click OK. Now, if you want to draw, see here midpoint is not shown. You can start from this end or you can start from this end. But if you want to draw exactly midpoint from here, it does not shows any green mark, right? Now let's on. Yeah. See, it is showing the midpoint of this rectangle. Here also it shows. Now it makes you easy to divide into equal parts or to draw exactly perpendicular lines from center, right? Here also, if you want to see midpoint, see here it just take your cursor and stuck at the midpoint like this. You can, yeah, like this you can draw. Now let us check whether it shows center of the circle or not. Yeah, this much is enough. Now, if you want to draw a radius line, a line showing radius in circle, see, it is not specifying the exact center, right? OS enter. You add the geometric center so that it also shows center of the circle. See, this is how it shows the exact center of the circle, right? Yeah, this is the parallel. Yeah, if you want parallel, like if you want to draw, let's have another thing. Yeah, If you just want to draw this, exact draw a line from here exactly parallel to this line, this previous line. See, this is how it shows. And snap you at the exact point in the same line so that you can draw. See, this is how the OSNAP functional key helps you, and this is how it makes your work easy. Like, you just off this OSNAP and see if you want to draw a rectangle. If you want to start, see, you cannot start exactly. If you are trying to draw precisely, but it will not be exactly same. It takes more time, and you can also not draw accurately. See how this is looking. See, this is the gap. So that's why while drawing we have to use OSNAP so that our work will be accurate and it becomes easy and less time consuming. Okay. Now F4. Let's try and click F4. See how it is getting on and off. F4, F4. See here you can observe as I'm clicking F4, it get activated and then deactivated like this. F4 is the option to on or off the 3D object snap. It is used in the same as object snap, but it is used in 3D drawings, like used in this 3D basics and 3D model. Okay. And next F5 is to switch in isoplane. Let's go to draft setting. DS enter. This is the draft setting. Here go to snap of grid. Snap and grid. Where is it? Yeah, here. Snap and grid. And then go to snap type. In snap type, you can have isometric snap. Then click OK. You can see the isometric view like this. Isometric view is the angled view. Like when you are seeing previously, we were seeing the exactly top view. Yeah, exactly top view, right? This is the angled view. You can see from northeast, northwest, like that, right? In the same way, DS center, rectangular snap. Okay, yeah. Now you can see the normal view, that is like top view. So this isometric view is used in creating 3D representation of an object on a 2D surface so that we can ensure that angles and measurements remain consistent, that is 120 degrees axis. For clear visualization, assembly and planning, we use this isometric views. And next, F6. Let's explore what pops up when you click F6 option. Okay, you just click F1 plus F6. dynamic UCS is getting on or off when you click F6. If you want to draw particularly, or if you want to extrude something particularly from a particular plane of an object you have already drawn, you should just keep dynamic UCS on so that you can draw like this. See, now let us check if the dynamic UCS is off. See, now dynamic UCS is off. I want to draw this on this particular plane, but it is coming outside of that. I'm not able to draw on another plane. It's directly coming outside. So if you want the dynamic UCS, you can draw on this particular plane like this. Yeah, I hope you understood. We can see this in realistic or shaded. Yeah, I want to just conclude in a short way. If you want to draw something or extrude something in a 3D way on a particular plane, on this particular plane, you want to extrude something this like this. But if your dynamic UCS is off, you cannot extrude from another plane. This is drawn like this. See, it came outside. So if you want to draw something inside or something on a particular plane, your dynamic UCS should be on. That is F6. You can on or off it through F6 function key. So let us just summarize in a short way what we have learned in this video. That is, we have learned about 6 functional keys F1 to F6. First one, the F1 is for online help. F2 is for command prompt history. F3 is for object snap. You can on or off it using F3. F4 is the object snap for 3D. Yeah, and F5 is to switch in isoplane. F6 is the dynamic UCS. Yeah, this is what we have learned today. I hope everything is clear. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment box. And in the next video, we are going to see the remaining 6 functional keys and their functions. Okay, thank you for watching.